Hey everyone, the world is changing right before our eyes. All around us, machines are learning to think like us. It's like something out of a movie, right? But artificial intelligence, or AI, is not science fiction anymore. It's here, it's real, and it's changing everything faster than ever before. Think self-driving cars and virtual assistants. AI is quickly becoming a part of our everyday lives. At the heart of this AI revolution is something really cool called prompt engineering. This new field helps people like you and me talk to and control these smart machines. It's like teaching a computer to understand what we want. And guess what? Everyone wants a prompt engineer now. Businesses are realizing how powerful AI is, and they need experts to guide these AI models. That's where you come in. So let's dive into the world of prompt engineering together. We'll see why it's so important, explore what you can do with it, and find out how Internshala's course can give you the skills to succeed in this exciting new world. Imagine having a super smart assistant who can write stories, translate languages, create different types of documents, and answer any question you have. That's the power of generative AI. But there's a catch. You need to know how to talk to it. That's where prompt engineering comes in. Prompt engineering is like giving clear instructions to a really smart but very literal friend. You need to explain exactly what you want in a way the AI understands. A well-written prompt gives the AI context, tells it what format to use, and sets the tone for the response. It's the key to unlocking the true potential of AI and getting amazing results. Whether you're a writer looking for inspiration, a marketer creating ads, or a developer writing code, mastering prompt engineering can make you more productive and creative. In a world that's quickly embracing AI, learning new skills is super important to stay ahead. Internshala's prompt engineering course is your chance to unlock the world of AI and start an exciting career. This special program, designed by experts in the field, is perfect for beginners and those who want to level up their skills. The course covers everything from the basics of prompt engineering to advanced techniques, all in a way that's easy to understand. You'll get hands-on experience with the latest AI tools, like Blackbox.ai and Deep.ai, through a mix of theory and practical exercises. But it's not just about technical skills. You'll also learn how prompt engineering is changing industries, from writing and marketing to software development and data analysis. By working on real-world projects, you'll build an impressive portfolio that showcases your AI skills. And when you finish the course, you'll receive the prestigious NSDC Skill India and Internshala certifications, proving your expertise to potential employers. AI is making waves in every industry, and prompt engineering is leading the charge. Let's see how different sectors are using the power of AI writing and marketing. Imagine creating awesome blog posts, catchy ads, and engaging social media content in minutes. AI-powered tools, guided by effective prompts, are changing the game for writers and marketers, allowing them to focus on strategy and creativity. Software development. From generating code to automating tasks, AI is becoming a developer's best friend. Prompt engineering helps developers communicate their ideas to AI models, making the development process faster and more efficient. Customer service chatbots and virtual assistants powered by AI are transforming how businesses interact with customers. Prompt engineering is crucial for training these AI agents to understand and answer customer questions effectively, providing seamless and personalized support. Education AI is being used to create personalized learning experiences, generate interactive study materials, and automate administrative tasks. Prompt engineering allows educators to tailor AI tools to meet specific learning goals and make education more engaging for students. These are just a few examples of how AI is changing the world. As prompt engineering continues to evolve, we can expect even more incredible applications to emerge, blurring the lines between human and machine capabilities. Section 5. From developers to designers, real-world uses of generative AI. Generative AI, powered by effective prompt engineering, is helping professionals across different fields achieve amazing results. Let's see how. A software developer can use a prompt like generate Python code for a function that calculates the factorial of a given number to get instant usable code, saving time and effort. A marketing professional could use a prompt like write a compelling Facebook ad copy for a new line of organic skincare products targeting environmentally conscious millennials to generate engaging ad copy that resonates with their target audience. A graphic designer could input a prompt like create a logo for a sustainable coffee brand using earthy tones and minimalist design elements to receive multiple logo options, sparking creative inspiration and speeding up the design process. These are just a few examples of how generative AI, guided by well-crafted prompts, is changing the way professionals work. By automating tasks, boosting creativity, and providing data-driven insights, these tools are empowering individuals and organizations to be more efficient and innovative. Section 6. Shaping Your AI Destiny, Career Paths and Placement Support. As AI becomes more common in different industries, the demand for skilled professionals with expertise in prompt engineering is skyrocketing. Completing Internshala's prompt engineering course opens doors to exciting career opportunities. As an AI prompt engineer, you'll design and optimize prompts for AI models. Your expertise will be sought after by companies developing AI solutions. If you have a strong academic background, consider a career as an AI research scientist. Conduct research, develop algorithms, and advance AI technologies. Data scientists collect, clean, and analyze datasets, driving decision-making. Leverage AI tools to extract valuable insights from data. Internshala understands that starting a new career path can be daunting. The prompt engineering course comes with comprehensive placement assistance. From resume building to connecting with employers, Internshala's placement team supports you in landing your dream job in AI. Section 7. The Ethical Imperative, Navigating the Moral Landscape of AI. With great power comes great responsibility. Embracing AI's potential requires addressing ethical considerations in its development and deployment. Prompt engineers shape responsible AI use, ensuring fairness and inclusivity. AI models learn from massive datasets, reflecting societal biases. Engineers must design prompts that promote fairness and inclusivity. AI systems process sensitive information, raising privacy concerns. Ethical data handling and transparency are crucial for trust and accountability. Prioritizing ethics ensures AI's responsible development and use, maximizing benefits and mitigating risks. Section 8. Embracing the Future, Trends. Shaping the world of prompt engineering. The field of prompt engineering is constantly evolving, driven by advancements in AI research and the growing demand for innovative applications. Here are some key trends shaping the future of this exciting domain: personalized AI. Imagine AI assistants that understand your preferences, learning styles, and goals, providing personalized experiences across various domains. Prompt engineering will play a crucial role in tailoring AI interactions to individual needs, creating more intuitive and effective user experiences. Explainable AI. As AI systems become more sophisticated, understanding their decision-making processes is crucial for building trust and ensuring responsible use. Prompt engineering techniques are being developed to create more transparent and interpretable AI models, allowing humans to understand the reasoning behind AI-generated outputs. Automated prompt engineering. As the demand for prompt engineers continues to grow, research is underway to automate certain aspects of prompt design and optimization. Automated prompt engineering tools could help streamline the process, making AI more accessible to a wider range of users. By staying abreast of these emerging trends, aspiring and seasoned prompt engineers can position themselves at the forefront of this rapidly evolving field, driving innovation and shaping the future of AI. Section 9. Conclusion. Your journey to AI proficiency begins today. The age of AI is here, and prompt engineering is your key to unlocking its transformative power. Whether you're a creative professional seeking to enhance your craft, a tech enthusiast eager to explore the frontiers of innovation, or simply someone curious about the future of technology, Internshala's prompt engineering course offers an unparalleled opportunity to embark on this exciting journey. Through a comprehensive curriculum, expert-led instruction, and practical projects, you'll gain the skills and knowledge to craft effective prompts, harness the power of generative AI tools, and position yourself for success in the rapidly evolving job market. Internshala's commitment to your growth extends beyond the classroom, with dedicated placement assistants to help you launch your career in the exciting world of AI. Embrace the future, unlock your potential, and join the ranks of skilled professionals shaping the future of technology with Internshala's prompt engineering course. Your journey to AI proficiency begins today.